In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front sway bar link on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located behind the front wheel. Let's get started. Using a 22mm socket, remove all of the lug nuts for the hubcap. Remove the hubcap. Using a 22mm socket, remove the 8 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a pair of locking pliers, we're going to get onto the top fastener for our sway bar link. We're going to use a 15mm socket on bottom. We're going to remove the stud. Remove the sway bar link bolt. Remove the top bushing. And remove all of the middle pieces. Grab your new sway bar link and remove the nut. Remove the top 2 bushings, the spacer. I'm going to paint my stud with some Never Sees. Install the sway bar link stud. Get the first bushing on it. Install the spacer. And then one more bushing. Get this lined up into the sway bar. Install one last bushing. I'm going to use a pry bar to help me pull down on my sway bar so I can get my next washer and nut onto it. Install the nut. We're going to use a 14mm wrench to hold the nut while we use a 14mm to snug it down. You want to snug this down until you have a nice squeeze on your bushings, but you don't want these to flatten. Install the wheel. Install the 8 lug nuts by hand. Snug the lug nuts down. Using a 22mm socket, we're going to torque the lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Install the hubcap. Snug all the nuts down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.